Welcome to my channel. I have such an exciting video today. I got this in the mail last night and it took all of my willpower to not open it, but it is the Moxielash liquid magnetic eyeliner. So I saw this, it was just a lazy day. I want to say this was like 4 or 5 days ago. It was just a lazy day. I was just watching videos and I saw Raw Beauty Christie's video on this. I didn't even watch the whole video. I saw her put it on and I said, that is unreal. I can't even believe that. And I bought it. I bought the set. It was $90 for 2 pairs of lashes and the magnetic liquid liner. And I cannot wait to do this because this is like freaking magic. I was watching her video and I was like, that's unreal. That is, I can't even believe that. So I want to get into this because I am dying. So this is what it's looking like. That gets that rose gold kind of coppery color. And then you get 2 lashes. So these are lashy lashes. I think these are a bit too long for my eyes, but they're also magnetized in here. So like you don't have any like glue, and when you're done with them, they just like pop right back in there. That's crazy. I've never tried like the original magnetic eyelashes, so I don't really know much about magnetic eyelashes, but with this, I'm like, this looks pretty simple. It doesn't have like the whole manwich idea, but I tried these. Yeah, these might be a little bit too long for my eyes, but the good part is I could probably trim off one of the magnets. They just pop right back in there. It's ridiculous. And then the ones that I'm going to use today are the sassy lashes, which are, they're a little bit more like fuller, but they're shorter bands. So I'm hoping these are gonna work for me. But I want to do what everyone else is doing, and I want to swatch this on my hands and see, oh, okay, so the actual thing is a little bit like goopy. Ooh, it's thick. I would say you have to be kind of careful with this because if you can see there, it kind of got a little thick. How long this is going to dry on my hand. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I had the need to smell it. I smell everything. I'm one of those people that smells their food before they eat it. And you can layer the product to maximize the magnetic attract. So be sure to do not like a thick line, but like layered. I will say it's not black because like if you put it next to the packaging, it's definitely got like a dark gray. What the fuck? What? Okay, so yes, it definitely has more like resistance, I guess you could say, with the first line that I did that's thicker. This is crazy. I am not believing what I'm seeing. This is absolutely insane. Okay, let's put some liquid liner on my eyes. I'm gonna try not to do it really thick. I want to do it like a thinner line, but really layered up. And I did do a little bit of mascara. Let's see. I haven't used an eyeliner like this in so long. This doesn't bend very well. As you can tell, pushing on my lash line is not really doing anything. Layering it up now. Kind of hard to get a straight line. This is a $45 eyeliner. Is it worth it? We shall find out. It definitely feels like a gel though. When it's like going onto your eye, feels like I have like a gel pot liner, not so much like a runny liquid liner. Now I'm gonna wait 1 to 2 minutes for this to dry, not transferring. In the meantime, that's fucking weird. All right, look at this. So it's bending and then it just sticks right on there. What the heck? Do you see this? What? That's so weird. But I'm also curious, like if you use these lashes a lot and they're pulling like the magnet bits out of the liner and it builds up onto these little magnetized bits on the lashes, like how would you clean that is what I'm curious about. And like will it affect how it sits on your lashes? This is a pretty new brand to my understanding. They don't have a lot of product. They have, I believe, 3 or 4 lashes, and then they have the liquid liner, and they have a gel pot liner, and I can't remember what else they had, but they don't have a lot is what I'm saying. But if this does work, I'm gonna need them to have a lot because I'm gonna have to buy a lot. Let's see, I touch it. It's still a bit wet. I'm gonna let this sit for a while and then we'll put on the eyelashes. All right, so I've been kind of tapping where the liner is and it feels like it's pretty dry. So I have so much excitement right now. I can't. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm gonna zoom you guys in for this. First eyelash going on. Oh, I'm so nervous. What? Oh no. No way. Oh my. It legit feels like you're putting like a glued eyelash on. Like when it's like tacky. Do you see what's on my eye right now? There's eyelashes on my eye. What? Let me put on the other one because this is blowing my mind. Trying to get at an angle. What? This is so weird. This is so weird. What? I don't even feel them on my eyes. They literally feel like just glued on eyelashes. What? Look at this. You can just like literally, do you see that? What the actual heck is going on? Oh, no way. This is so weird. I don't even know what to think right now. And then like when you take them off, it doesn't rip off all your eyeliner. Oh my god. What? I'm gonna need a lot more styles of this freaking eyelashes. They literally don't feel like anything on my eyes. It's so weird. I'm so mind blown right now. I can't. They feel like they're like on there. I don't know why shaking would be my eyelashes falling off. This is so weird. Oh my god. Why did I not invent this? This is such a freaking great ass idea. Though I don't know what the health risks are. Oh my god. So my main problem with eyelashes is if I like close my eyes, I have a problem with the front of the eyelashes coming off. And like this is zero problem. Let me put a little bit more mascara in a couple of spots. Look, I can take the eyelashes off, put mascara on where I need it, and then pop these babies right back on. What? This is unreal. I am going to walk around, kill some time for a little bit, and see how these feel on my eyes. I do wear like regular false eyelashes, but I'm really curious about how these are compared to regular eyelashes. First off, I do think they're a lot easier to like apply and just have them like magnetized to your eye. And when you take them off to readjust them, you're not like ripping off. The glue isn't like sticking to the eyelashes and ripping off everything underneath, and then you have to like go in and add liquid liner and all of that mumbo jumbo. But the one thing is the liquid liner does take a while to dry. I did notice that. So if you're willing to let these dry for a bit, like these feel so natural. Like they just feel like you're wearing regular eyelashes. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel weird. They're not stabbing me. I'm so blown away. But I'm gonna take a little bit of a walk around, see if I'm like blinking or like what if they become loose or if there's any like other concerns with anything. All right, so I've had my makeup on for about 8 hours now, and if you can see, I took this eyelash off just to see what would happen, and it did take off. Well, I'll take it off now. it did take off a bit of the eyeliner after it's been sitting there for a while. So I'm a little curious about how to take the eyeliner off of the magnet. It wasn't that hard to like kind of finesse it back onto your eyes like this. It honestly isn't that hard. It's just not gonna get that close or precise to where you had it. So I did have that little complaint there. It does still magnify into the little tray. I'm curious to take this one off. I haven't really taken this one off yet. See, these like are on there. Yeah, so it does take off your eyeliner after a while, and they magnetize perfectly into there, but they were not uncomfortable one bit all day long. They felt like regular eyelashes. They weren't stabbing. They didn't feel like they were lifting at all. I didn't think about them. It is storming right now. It was pretty windy in Texas. We're having a tornado warning. So it was pretty windy and they felt pretty strong on there. My hair was blowing all in my lashes and they felt pretty dang on there. But I'm also curious about like if you were to wear these for like daytime and throw the other ones on for nighttime, like if you could layer up the eyeliner, if it would look weird or not. So this does layer up really nicely, and actually it doesn't feel heavy at all. If you've ever worn false glue-on lashes, it feels pretty much like that, but it's not constricting. Like it doesn't feel like your eyes can't move other than that shape. That is it for this video. I am super impressed with this. I'll have the link to the website that I bought these from in my description box. Again, this is $45, and the kit with the liquid liner and the 2 styles of the lashes is $90 for 3 of these, which I don't think is a bad deal considering that these stayed on literally all day. No irritation, no having to fix it. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had as much fun as I did and you are so amazed like I am. I am going to use these all the time. I'm so excited. I am going to probably trim up the flashy lashes so they're not so long, and you guys will see me using these a lot more often. If they do come out with more styles of lashes, I'm probably gonna buy them because I think this is really genius. This is really easy, convenient, there's no hassle to it, you don't have to think about it. The only con that I will say is that you gotta wait a while for this to dry, but that's not that big of a deal. It is a little bit pricey, but it is 100% worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.